once again, this is Dr. Bill Bailey, and this is VirtZine. VirtZine is the online magazine of virtualization and cloud computing. And we are proud members of the Tech Podcast Network, techpodcast.com. If it's tech, it's right here on VirtZine. The VirtZine Netcast is based on the VirtZine blog, which is, of course, at VirtZine.com. So, go check the blog out. It has all kinds of virtualization and cloud computing things for you. This week there's very dry air here, so I'm drinking water. It keeps me from going into a coughing fit, which would be counterproductive, particularly since I have a Shure SM11 very cool professional microphone on. You would get very clear audio of me coughing. Not good. Just saying. Alrighty, VirtZine. Citrix announces mobile computing tools and products. This is at the Zen Mobile MDM. This is the Zen Modem MDN series of products. And what it is Enterprise Mobile Device Management Solution. That's what it stands for, MDM, Mobile Device Management. It gives users a choice while enabling IT to meet its management and compliance requirements, according to their press release. And basically it is including the Citrix Cloud Gateway, Citrix NetScaler, Citrix Zen Desktop, GoToMeeting, GoToAssist, ShareFile, and Citrix Patio. Did I mention the dry air? Wow. Anyway, Citrix Patio, that sounds a little odd to me. But anyway, it is a business collaboration tool, is what Patio is. But I digress. The point is, they've come out with this. It will be Enterprise MDM features role-based management and configuration for corporate and employee-owned devices. So it basically addresses the bring your own device paradigm that's going on right now. It offers secure email, browser, and data sharing apps from Citrix, and is generally very cool. I'll just leave it at that. You can read the article as easily as I can. What I'm saying, and I'm having a hard time talking, so I just won't. But that's okay. You know, I'm a certified Citrix administrator, and I am all for Citrix, but you know, some of their stuff these days just isn't lighting the fire in me like it used to. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest, okay? I know it's awesome. I've seen some awesome technology from Citrix. Please don't get me wrong. I don't want to sound like I'm downing Citrix, but it just isn't exciting me as much as a lot of the other stuff I'm seeing. Okay, just being honest. All right. Red Hat launches Enterprise Linux 6.4. Now, I know as a Red Hat administrator, where I work at High Point Regional Health System, that a lot of businesses, including the one that I work at, is a good long ways behind in terms of current Red Hat distribution levels. We're currently running 5.8. I kid you not. And that's because our major vendor, McKesson, is forcing us to remain. Actually, they want us at 5.7. We kind of stretched the envelope a bit and went to 5.8. But 6.4 is out. I mean, come on, folks. Get with the program. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a kind of a curmudgeonly mood, right? Yes. It's because of my throat being dry, I'm sure. But anyway, Red Hat launches Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, as we call it in the trade, 6.4, and it has a big data focus. What does that mean, big data focus? Well, it's been optimized for performance, stability, flexibility, and designed to help organizations manage their workloads across physical, virtual, and cloud environments. Red Hat Enterprise Linux introduces several new components that help enterprises meet core business objectives, including support for the parallel network file system, which is the PNFS, lowercase p, capital NFS, enhanced interoperability, and more. Indeed. And it also includes Microsoft Hyper-V Linux drivers, which my tongue just jumped in front of itself, which improves performance of the operating system when running as a guest on Microsoft Hyper-V. I would recommend doing that, just because I don't like Microsoft. But hey, I got it mentioned that it at least does support that now. Much better because it has built-in drivers for it. Boy, I'm in a mood. It also has support for VMware and Microsoft Hyper-V para-virtualized devices. Those are actually very cool, by the way, para-virtualized devices. They speed things up considerably. I do that when I add a second disk drive in VMware. I use the para-virtualized adapter. Took me a minute to find that word. Wow. So, Enterprise Linux 6.4. Available now. Okay, last item this time is VMware versus Amazon Web Services. Haha. They're having a bit of a shootout with each other here. VMware is very concerned about their customers moving their workloads to Amazon services. Now, I must admit, I am a VMware administrator, and I love VMware. I really do. But I use Amazon Web Services S3 to store the very video that you are watching right now if you're watching online. Or if you have downloaded it, you downloaded it from Amazon's Web Service S3. I use the S3 storage in the cloud, and I also use their CloudFront capability, which allows across the world to have low latency download, which is very nice for streaming video. So that's why I use it. And VMware is concerned because a lot of their customers, such as myself, are using those services. Just saying. It's a really nice, really handy service, and it's very low cost. Now, you know, there is a cost. There really is, but for the capability you get, dude, it's hard to beat. I'm just saying. So VMware is their new CEO, Pat Gelsinger, told partners it will do what it takes to keep customers from migrating their workloads to the Amazon Web Services public cloud. Sounds like they're kind of throwing down the old gauntlet, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see how this comes out. But anyway, until next time, keep your head in the cloud.